Hello, and welcome to the Opal and Mommy Baking Show.
I'm Opal.
And I'm Mommy.
I'm Mommy.
No, I'm Mommy. And today is a very special day. What day is it today?
Birthday cake.
Yeah, it's Daddy's birthday.
Daddy's birthday.
So we're going to make Daddy a birthday cake. Opal picked out the flavor. Are we doing chocolate or vanilla?
Mama.
Vanilla, yep. And for the frosting, are we doing chocolate or vanilla?
Mama.
Vanilla. And we're going to be decorating it, right? I'm going to let Opal do all the decorating herself today. Big day for Opal.
Sugar.
Yep, there's sugar. Let's get started.
And not get sugar at ice cream. Not get sugar on a birthday cake.
Yeah.
I mean, baking.
Yeah. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the cake mix because, yep, we're not making it from scratch. Too bad.
Well,
Too bad. We're going to cut it open.
they cut it open.
And we're going to pour it in here. You going to help me?
Mm-hmm.
Very good, Opal.
Birthday cake.
Yeah, you see the sprinkles in there?
Mm-hmm.
Good old funfetti.
Not eat it.
Not eat it yet. We'll eat it once it's baked. Okay? And then we're going to put the water and the oil in there. All right, Opal. Thanks for showing that. Can you pour the water in? I'm not even going to help you, okay? Oh my goodness, you are such a big girl. Good job, Opal. All right, we've got the oil.
Okay. Oil.
And now we put in the eggs. Oh, that's okay. A little bit went out. That's okay. Ready?
There we go. It's a nugget egg. Nugget egg.
And now what do we do with it?
I gotta stir it.
You gotta stir it.
Nugget egg.
Yellow egg. Stir, stir, stir.
I gotta stir it. There. This is nugget egg. This is nugget egg. This is nugget egg.
Yeah, we forgot to mention, Opal has a new shirt. It says, Mom's Baking Buddy.
Mommy,
Yes?
baking. Mommy, baking.
Yeah, you're my baking buddy.
Uh,
All right, Opal, what's this thing?
laptop mixer.
Electric mixer. We're gonna mix it. Make sure you keep those fingers far away.
Come on, mixer. Come on, mixer.
Thank you, mixer, for mixing. All right. Good job keeping your hands far away. Now we're gonna grease the sheet and put it on there. What is this thing here, do you know?
Orange thing.
It's an orange thing, yes, but it's actually called a rubber scraper. And a lot of people think that it's called a spatula. But a spatula is more like a food turner. Actually, it's more like a knife. And this is a rubber scraper. Okay? Can you say rubber scraper?
Rubber stick.
And now we're going to put this in the oven. Thanks, oven, for cooking.
Thanks, Evan, for cooking.
All right, we've got a cooked cake. And it's time to do what, Opal?
Decorate.
Decorate. Time to spread it.
Spread it.
Oh.
Cheese. Cheese.
We're on the Opal and Mommy Baking Show. And we're spreading the frosting. Opal wanted to smell it.
Open what and smell it.
So now we've got frosting on the cake. And what's next?
Sprinkles.
Yeah. We've got all sorts of different kinds of sprinkles and some M&Ms. So let's see how Opal does with her artistry. Good job. All right, we got sprinkles. Let's put a few M&Ms, okay?
I won't get animals.
Okay. Put them all over, okay? Or just in that spot. That's fine too. Well, not a whole, just a little bit at a time. All right. Very good.
Happy birthday.